Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing JoyaGoo.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a shopping agent that orders directly from China, and that makes it cheaper for a lot of items and parcels. So as you can see, you can just search for the product name here, or the shop's link, place orders, submit parcels, and sign the delivery. So if you're wondering if this is too good to be true, or is it legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot. And they're actually rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is very excellent. And they have minimal 1-star reviews, and they have 3,000 reviews. And let's see the reviews here. So best app, best of the best service. My experience with JoyaGoo is 10 out of 10. JoyaGoo's best place to buy, affordable price and totally real. Amazing products, AirPods, top quality, fast and reliable, amazing and cheap, very easy and good. Best agent, bro. Best website to buy anything. Basically, a lot of people are saying good things about this website. So if you want to order from it, by all means go, since they're rated very good on Trustpilot. So yeah, that is basically it. So JoyaGoo is legit. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.